on the 19th of January. Yes, when in the 12 days, and what 8-member committee to do a constitutional review exercise. So they will go around the country, canvass the views of people, put it in the recommendations that the government will also have a say. At the end of the day, constitutional review is at the behest of the executive, no matter how you look at it. Yeah, Prof. Mills started the Fiajo committee, President Kufuor started with the Clabberry committee, any idea any age constituent of CDD. Okay. Now, me share the full video, but I think that people will get a better perspective when they look at the entire document. It's a 68-page document. We take it time read it will help. So the committee na Professor H. Kwesi Prempeh na Dr. Reina Akumpriga Metidi no French, the former justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Professor Kwame Kakari Charlotte, the former EC chair, the Dr. AC Ansan Alaji Ibrahim, Dr. Gordon Jokutomi 8. Now the key ones are about Matatinano. So we just go to to some of them. Now who say me? I don't know why even the Supreme Court is entertaining this matter on Article 66. It's two terms is 2 terms. Let nobody bring in Ghana.
Say consecutive.
Ghana, say 2 terms.
Sure.
Mahama we dear we baby a
we did 2 terms.
And one. Obi call obi interpreting the Sanka Oma. Tienjen fence on your nice idea. Or say the committee recommends amendment of Article 66(1) to extend the duration of a president's term from 4 to 5 years. The committee also recommends an amendment to Article 1131 and 2 to extend the term of Parliament because it has to go
in tandem.
Concurrent, right? No, in tandem. In tandem is not concurrent. You know, presidential term now 4 years, they call 5 years. My view on this, I've struggled to give a view even on my channel. I think that I'm here to see a compelling reason.
Okay.
What you cannot do in 4 years, I doubt you can be able to do it in 5 years. That's my view. I'm here to see someone to
convince
me on the argument.
Okay.
I'm yet.
Yeah.
I don't know so convince me.
No. My grandmother even called me. Maybe Nana friend maybe say me say me. And I'm say, hey, our grandma was watching over 5 years no.
And people are saying that it will be it won't start from President Mama. That's not how it happened. It won't start from President Mama. It will be anybody after. That's how it is. Laws do not take a retrospective effect. He was elected based on this position. So if you amend it, it will not take a retrospective effect. Yes. Now they also say that the minimum age, on Article 62B, now 40 years. And a committee, the committee recommends amending Article 62B to reduce the minimum age of eligibility for election as president from 40 to 35. The current minimum age of 40, government position here, excludes qualified citizens from seeking the highest office on the basis of an arbitrary age threshold. Reducing the age to 30 years is consistent with the trend in modern democratic constitutions towards greater inclusivity. A citizen who is old enough to serve as a member of parliament should not be constitutionally barred from contesting for the president on account of age. The president, 40 constitution currently. Committee recommended 35. I buy as a 30. Because parliament, I think 18, right? 18.
Yeah.
21.
Okay,
21. So we better make a parliament. I question and say, yeah, why can't the person be president? That's the yardstick of it. So they brought it to 30. Then so you make chum. It's into me, but just for one. Now my head said, "Meet me
a DB. And you're bad.
And now, and that's bad. 3D. I say,
and you're bad. And
you're bad. Be about them 3D. I said, presidential ambition. Was when in the year. See means
tall order.
Some say $1 million. So, which mama bear 50
billion view in your bad. And your problem.
You two microphone. Again, Omoka said, also Kenya.
Yeah.
I like the Kenyan system. They have, I've forgotten the time, but they have a very defined timelines for presidential election petition.
Okay.
Now, the committee is saying that they should amend Article 63(2)(a) to provide that presidential elections shall be held on such day in the first week of November. They say November, but the specific date, say maybe it was 7 December, that day, EC will decide on that. Now, presidential election petition, Article 64. We see the the first one in 2013, a koya to August 29 August.
Yeah.
A call for most time, Mama intimidate any major decision. Those things have a bit. When it comes to the economy, there's some kind of perceptions. There's some kind of believability. So when this idea na shiki, almost say no. Say your bobo election results now. You have 14 days. To challenge the results. Then the Supreme Court must sit on the matter in 30 days. I think it's fantastic. and senior there. See, ever say the about November, never saw the 27th November. You keep here 7 now.
Yes.
Meaning, see, a bobo election roughly around 10. See, the Nana do 2-3 days. By 11 p.m. so we are worried. By easy on one end, you say so.
Yes. Kenya then now kind of 7 days.
7 days.
Yes. 7 days.
That's fantastic. It's say you must say born the 10th frana. Oh, between 10th to 24th, say 2 weeks to file the petition.
Okay.
Now Supreme Court to send petition now. They have 30 days. So meaning that by the time we are swearing in, we are clear at the free.
Sure.
And now when you are swearing president, there's an issue about the legitimacy, any major decisions. I think it's fantastic. One of the things that outright I support.
Okay.
And I also feel say November and also be boy because I had a transition, you know. It's an accusation. You can say in your way. You can say when you way. You can say when you say. As I can refer to your cool. We say a catch the way. We say a catch the way. We say cry conform. And you see that position. I still hold that position. It's a media. And I'm crying fault. I cry peduma.
Yeah.
Saka 1 hour crime will be free office no man eduma.
That's right.
So the issue is not about you see Newton Taylor to every action. There's an opposite and equal reaction. Yeah. Before you look at the reaction, look at the action.
That's right.
Who initiated the employment procedure? That is the problem.
Okay.
Because I'm going to say a punish woman not in Kolana or no Nukunya Dumano. What I say? I chief. So I say, Newton tell me I'm a science today. To every action that Okukuseku, or frame say, Massa, BBC, the BBA, but me from Marco San Crazam.
Simple cry. I feel maybe say,
no pedumano. As a debut, crabby or who's with them, there's some crab bonnet and penny for bonnet.
That's right. That's
your
it.
generation is raising.
That's it.
It's the old generation if failure, yeah, feel.
That's it.
So that's it.
That's it.
That's just by the side. Now, conditions of service of the president. They say president will make your tax. They will make your tax. You told me to be. When you go,
what you say?
Yeah.
La lie.
Nanze me call baby na mo airport. Now unim say. Sorry, that current regional constituency organizers. Most of them
I would love it. Not say Yankee say no Montana because it looks like comment you want to infuse it. But Montana say na yen ninkomo.
Senior obet ma correct. Unim say constituency. Who's that? But to do me, no. Say I'm not the
okay, let me.
Dumbako. Unim say current constituency organizers, no. I'm breaking mom no me NADMO directors. Maybe most now youth organizers are called YE.
Yes.
Na ba ko frame the Eugene. Mean to me me true feed. Who dey one no den kebuma 12 months and my. And I'm free penny because of Eugene. Yes, we are dear my. And I'm saying, "Nasa wo dear my." But I'm saying, "Party be away here." I'm a cry.
What you say?
So then I'm asking, "Come on, dear." Now, brother, mama, to do the person the pain would. I'm on you.
Michael say.
President Mahama almost send a salary.
Government architecture in a position by me view. And your crime for MP. And once I'm to Cocobe, let me chum and you. My quid.
And let me tell you one thing. You see, sometimes we pretend to be fighting corruption. Let me tell you, President in you may be Ohio. Scanning the good Ghana must go Muneba. Let's not pretend.
Wow.
Oh, but that's the truth.
Wow.
I'm telling you the reality. Let me tell you.
A general perspective, no share.
You're a hypocrite.
Sure.
Politicians.
Now, are you doubting it?
What?
Yeah, who MPs who be on car boot? Election time who be on car boot? No, we have seen so many things.
I'm not blaming Mahama, so keep.
And that Mahama, you blame no. You are blaming the system.
Please, I'm telling you this. Me say let's not pretend. The salary seminar.
No, but you see, senior friend, you see the point is even making it that look at MPs for example.
It's a drop in the bucket.
No, what I mean about that, look at their salary in himself public.
Okay.
That's around 30,000. But Oman Bayomi interviews now, quite year weekend now. He's gone on board. So it tells you that I'm a senior man so can. That's why I've always believed that me you say to independent. Chairman Sani said that's one kind of correct.
Yeah.
One of the biggest ways to fight corruption is political party financing.
Wow.
The day we get that thing right, declare how you are getting this, like they do in America. You cannot bring, you cannot get it.
Yeah, time. Yeah,
okay.
Man to be a senna, yeah, the 5,000 prayer party. NDC, month be almost the 20,000 bre omo party.
That's right.
Mumusa party ni mi so munye sika no
so no way.
Mumusa omso munye sika no way.
We party ni adwuma. Party ni
why are we pretending?
Party ni money making venture.
Political party finance. In fact, there's a provision for that. Let me get that for you. There's a provision for that where now it's a presidential immunity. So no, sir. Now committee recommend says the president mama to swear and the president could for that we take a civil action against presidency. Say we the alien don't mean to. I'm saying the Mumungu. President and the civil matter be better. No body. Again, I'm going to say presidential term limit to the maka. I don't say president minister MPs no so. I'm the court 300.
Yeah, I'm a couple.
Now say come about 200.
Now 24 year.
There's still an opportunity to add about about 14.
You know where the problem is. I don't blame the EC, the current reading of the law. You see, it's not gerrymandering. EC is supposed to create constitution based on certain requirements.
Yes.
If that requirement is met, a constituency like Bosomtri, it's not municipal, based on population. So maybe it's not them that create the constitution.
Anyway,
it's how the current law embodies them. Because for me, for example, how do Ghana have 300 MPs? Now let's not forget that the 300 MPs means that packs of office someone will be out.
Yes.
Obi kakra Ukraine yen hu.
But Eugene no baby. Emrana nkase easy. And creative constituencies need income.
Okay.
It is nowhere.
Okay. Okay.
What the law says, after census, you review the boundaries of the constituencies. You can review upwards or downwards.
Yeah.
When is it there be a review? And
I make us what's the population dynamics. For example, for you to be a municipal, I think when you get 120,000 and above, you're a municipal.
That one I agree. But there can boundaries. Let's take so I'm a municipal assembly.
Yeah.
And the two boundaries necessary and this chrono. It who is a population and what's one what you do say Abia
you switch some of them.
We are talking about
balance.
Okay, Martinez here. It's a just no for the Kuma. Abia has a boundary near Kwamo.
No,
and Abia man wants a Kwamo. Administratively, no.
Okay.
What's sudden quite happens even in Cameroon. Osha Echo as there are some countries political homo baby. Administrative homo baby.
Yes.
I think that those because 300 MPs there.
Too much.
And I want him 300 MPs here can mean that's our conversation about a bigger parliament.
Na se nipa 200 intimi nyamra ma 300
bit
na mra ikro mu yi
the parliament
omo ko parliament
emrai
etino eno so ye ade a e buy and again dual citizenship. You see this thing I have a very now if you're a dual citizen you can contest for any position but senior me the fundamental question that if you really want to serve your country why can't you relinquish a foreign citizenship to serve your country?
Okay.
That is one question.
Okay.
But the next question is also that you can't FDIs, you can't remittances,
foreign direct,
you do musika, you do investment. So why can't they contribute to decision making? That's the two arguments. That if you indeed want to really serve your country, why can't you relinquish your citizenship?
No.
Exactly. And also FDI for a year and also says, you say for say, you creative businesses, and today, you desika bisham dia mo beje. You be say be pray to me be kan ho asem bi.
And dia mo se there
be. Pacho, nti no so no e very
besipani nkoni na haban.
Interesting one aba. Again, ba ko aba regulation of political party campaign.
Okay.
Committee na the main kind man.
Okay.
The committee recommends a new proposition in the chapter 7 of the constitution to establish an independent registry and regulator of political parties and campaigns. IRRPC. This committee would assume and expand the Electoral Commission's role in registering and regulating political parties with enhanced enforcement powers to monitor compliance and sanction violations. The committee further recommends that Parliament enact to amend legislation to control the cost of electioneering and political campaigns, including restrictions on campaign periods. You call election year 3 months a year campaign. Expenditure caps, disclosure requirements, and sanctions for the abuse of incumbency. What's the abuse of incumbency there? For example, election, President Mama on Kubu, but the President Mama Banswa or Kobe no the flight kwa campaign kakra. How do we draw the lines? Is it campaign or is it government work? As a serving
in a ruling government.
In a ruling government. People are accusing me of that. But you cannot draw the dichotomy. Because in 2016, President Mahama was certainly it will bless state resources.
Let's not forget.
Yes. But as they do, maybe now, helicopter people will bring that. But you see, even in America, Donald Trump, I'm told that in a certain period, say who use Airbus one and you pay for it.
Okay.
So I think that was what the committee was thinking.
That's official.
But the government also says that they say that the government accepts in principle the establishment of an independent body to register and regulate political parties. The government considers, however, that a political party regulatory commission it will pay regulator. No, government said they be from independent registry and regulator of political parties and campaigns to Political Parties Regulatory Commission. Is a more appropriate designation than the nomenclature of the registrar and regulators. The government accepts the recommendation to deepen internal party democracy under Article 55 by expanding the right to elect party executives and candidates to all members in good standing. Now, once the Supreme Court ruling now, now the government through this is also agreeing with the Supreme Court without necessarily doing a different statement.
Yes.
But they issue a caveat in good standing political party now know them how we decide. Moje taxes, moje dues, it will be a to be. Or for you, 100,000. Now the package will be a question them. Hey, my quedu, how much 5 Then in the meantime, last year, big man of friend was only 10,000.
That's right.
Nipa 1,000. And I'm over to you because on so for you come the swami, and I'm also winning candidate to us.
10,000.
10,000. He said it already.
Now, they are Moyano, you know. They are Moyano.
You see, I don't want that.
They are Moyano. No. A friend will play ostrich. It is the fact. Oh, come on. Don't bring yourself.
Baba Jamadi. Baba Jamadi. Obi na TV na moto.
You na untu abi. But you yes, Eugene.
Obi o be katro baby aso kwale so untu abi oboa. And there's evidence that's what we say. Mama if na na hwe no no enter abrante kokoya no ye technique chain na.
Yes.
Yes obi se he unim. Nienti asad na ye prevalent in Ashanti region and that eastern region is ebi a okot voter region say. Samax we ni so am primaries. Matu sire.
Yes.
ASF seat into no so 10,000 cry na won kire no. So that is the problem.
So go afend yes money vote buy into and when one second term.
Na
House of Chiefs. Even House of Chiefs.
Now okay, we say as regards to the regulation of campaign financing, the government does not accept a constitutional amendment. It's necessary for this purpose. Campaign financing regulation is a rapidly evolving field that requires the flexibility of ordinary legislation. Expenditure caps, disclosure threshold, and enforcement mechanism must be capable of adjustment as political and economic conditions change. Parliament can enact the requisite legislation using its residual constitutional and lawmaking powers. The proposed PPRC bill provides the appropriate legislative vehicle for this. It's a ban so them run here. But you see, conveniently, and if MPP was in power, they would do the same.
That's right.
You know why? Who's a conveniently they agree and winning. Was say agree in principle, and you walk on it.
Yes.
But I will bet try and say you better say you better campaign say because it evolve no bro from there.
Now what kind of friends say that be? What kind of
na something could be. Oh, could be no better kakra. And then you imagine kakra.
Comparing hours to
Abratum. The senior be call election. Okasa we what chema o we are na come say into the crack. No as I trust him more about the tougher. No understand the crack. As massa what try Russia yes because obedi MP be strategy. But the last one be my chief justice. I find this a bit confusing. The justice of the Supreme Court retired at 70. Now, the CLC recommends amending Article 1452 to provide that the Chief Justice shall hold the office for a single non-renewable term of 10 years or until the retirement age, which, however, occurs first. The government support the introduction of a fixed non-renewable term for the Chief Justice for the reasons acknowledged by the CLC. Now, McKay CLC recommendation, they are saying that It's not a written rule. But for you to become a chief justice, you must be a justice of the Supreme Court. They are saying that so we are 40 years, crown your chief justice, who did 10 years, automatically you retire.
Wow.
Me tie fellows kwachofosu, and I will be busy and sent me 50 years. My 10 years, can I go back to serve on the bench? And was a best IGP done pare. He was not due for retirement.
Yes.
But will you go back to be a COP? It's a gray area.
Yes.
So I think that maybe we need to iron that because maybe taking that is Felix's view.
All right.
What I say?
All
because we say 10 years. Meaning say you're just on the Supreme Court, who may be 50. And you're born as a chief justice or some 10 years we are.
That's right.
Can that person go back to the bench? That is interesting. Now, based on how
they retire on their salary. Yeah.
In terms of the benefits, only we to look. She has nothing to.
Oh, baby, you also feel so bad. I'm
not going to go into private practice.
Now, who say Article 146 they implement it?
I'm sure. Eugene, I'm sure Omu introduce way because of the tokono issue. Because of any age now. Not nipa be brave, be retirement.
Yeah.
Until your mouth idea.
Yeah.
But senior, why can't you also get to the point? Say, I'm just sharing my own lawyer view. The arguments that people made was that Tokonu was there. I mean, 10 years late. But for Bonnie, 2008, Kwame 2005. To some, it makes sense because in the law, for example, there is first seniority. In fact, me come Jamana do pass or court. Me home. Say I no more no. You case ba. Senior for you mu je na be 4 na me so te ho. So 1 year the ba me ni mo no kan kire me so me nim say sa na ye. Me na me say case nya hye.
You bold na oba.
Senior ne ba late kure be tie na jaw. So if that is the case, maybe conventionally we can make it simple because before you be named as someone to go and serve in the chairs, as on the bench of the Supreme Court, it means that you have some knowledge.
All right.
This idea be a senior, because you see, let me give you a case. 146, to become problematic.
The years
no, maybe seniority at the bench. Seniority at the bench. For example, Justice Parliamentary Committee in get this scenario based on Article 148. As a President Bonipa 5. 2 sitting justices of the Supreme Court and 2 other people, they don't need to be MPs. They were a lawyer also. I think they're 5 people. And about Puamadi. After Bafuboni, Puamani is the most senior, 2015. So imagine the case Justice Bafuboni, who is due for retirement in December, goes on retirement, and Puamani is named Chief Justice. What will be the narrative? Now we need to say Bedru so.
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
So for me, for example, one of the amendments I should see in 146 say, current justice of the Supreme Court must not be part of the process when a petition is brought against a serving chief justice or a justice of the Supreme Court.
Okay.
Because the way the thing is, it may fall on you. And if you are part of the committee, to be deemed as if what you did on the committee to serve your personal interest.
Yeah.
So I think that's one of the things.
No more interest.
Anyway.
You see, for example, 146.
Human,
the last one I asked Justice Efiase Wasaribotre, what is infirmity? You must know. What is misconduct? What is, because incompetence, misconduct, infirmity. So all those are great. Now to court no recommend they said just so the Supreme Court 15. After the conversation started on the President Kufuor said they are overwhelmed with cases here and there. But when we are 150 years and I rap on, I listened to almost all of them on interviews here and there. It seems as if say just so the Supreme Court more colleagues.
Sure.
But we feel say as a lower court name there won't somebody do can you say do
Sure. So
and in fact in this report there's a 2 recommendations that they should separate the Supreme Court from interpretation, that jurisdictional battle, and also seeking sitting on actual matters. Okay. That one also was rejected by the government.
Okay.
But I say 15 so they call 19. 18 justices, 1 chief justice. So 19 justices of the Supreme Court. Okay. So that's the summary.
Great. Eugene Yedasipi riding Nhyira 104.5 and our Suguswa would say